What's the difference between 034 coil packs versus stock, and is it needed for B9 Stage 3 S4? So our coil packs are engineered and designed to have slightly more spark output than the factory coils. In addition, we add a heatsink to allow more proactive cooling of the electronics inside, which heat is those coils get hot, but they can overheat, and as the electronics overheat, then the power and the amount of dwell, which is the kind of length of charging time of the coil, reduces. We don't currently list them as a required mod. We recommend them. They're a very good quality, the highest output coil that we could create in that format on the market. And the heat sinks do make a nice difference too, and longevity of the coil not saturating and overheating.